Hi students, welcome to CET classes. So already we have solved nearly 2 hours problems in the previous sessions. So this is my third session. In this session I am going to continue the problems which we were solving in the previous class of the page 7 of chapter sets. Clear? So in that this is the continuation of the previous problems. So let us go through this. In this, what they are telling and what they are asking from us, let us see. Let A and B be the two sets. That means they are telling A and B are the two sets in the universal set. In the universal set, then A minus B equals. So they have given A and B are the two sets in the universal set. That means this is the universal set. These are the two sets A and B. From this, what they are asking, what is A minus B they are asking. They have given this all sets, that means universal set A and B sets they have given, and they are asking what is A minus B. As you all know, if this is the universal set, A minus B means elements in A but not in B. Elements in A but not in B. No problem. So, first one, what else? A intersection B complement. What is the meaning of A intersection B complement? See, this is A, clear, and this is what? B complement. Clear? So now, complete portion will be what? B complement. And this particular element will be what? A. If I make combination of these two with the common terms, that is what? A intersection B complement. That means they are asking, sorry, what they are telling here? A common with B complement. This complete is B complement with this portion. Clear? In this, with A, what is the common? See, in this complete region, this is the common region for both B complement and A. For both B complement and A. This is not included because this also includes B. That's why we leave A intersection B. A intersection B is not our region. Clear? Our region is pure A, which is not in B. Pure A, which is not in B. Intersection with B complement. Intersection with B complement. That means first we draw the B complement. Clear? In that which is common with A, this particular term is common with A. So that means this thing will be the required answer as you say A minus B. What is A minus B? Elements in A but not in B. Say this, elements in A but not in B. Clearly we are getting from this picture. Okay? Because this portion is in A but not in B. Are you getting my point? So that is what A minus B tells. So clearly option A will be the correct answer. Clear? If you don't understand, rewind the video and again watch. First I shaded B complement. First I shaded B complement with this type of lines, horizontal lines. Next I have taken the common region with A and B complement. Clear? So that will be equal to A intersection B complement. Elements in A but not in B. This is elements in A but not in B. Are you clear? That's why option A is the correct answer. Clear? Okay students. So let us see the next problem. That is, if 1, 3, 2, 5 and 3, 3 are the three elements of A cross B, and total number of elements in A cross B is 6, then the remaining elements of A cross B. Okay. So here they have given you 3 order pairs of A cross B and they are telling there are 6 order pairs in the A cross B. Then what are the remaining elements of A cross B? They are asking. Okay. So for this, what we shall do, first we shall find what is set A what is set B? If you understand set A and set B, then it will be very easy to solve the remaining elements, because to create an order pair, cross product is very important. For cross product, two non-empty sets are very important. Here two non-empty sets are set A and set B. So for that reason, let us find set A and set B first, so that the remaining thing will be very simple. To find set A and set B, it's very clearly explained in the Cartesian product definition that in the order pairs, first element will be from the set A and the second element will be from the set B. So here the first element is 1, the second element is 2, and the third element from the third order pair is 3. That means the first element from the first order pair is 1, the first element from the second order pair is 2, the first element from the third order pair is 3. So 1, 2, 3 are the three elements of the set A. Clear? Now from the set B, what are the set B elements? 3 and 5. Because see, in the first order pair the second element is 3, in the second order pair the second element is 5, in the third order pair again it is 3, no problem. So 3 is already written. See, so here you have 3 elements, here you have 2 elements. What is meaning of that? You are going to get 6 order pairs. 3 into 2, 6. Just from the simple formula of n of A cross B equal to n of A multiplied with n of B. Now from that, if I make a Cartesian product, so that you are going to get all 6 order pairs. In that 3 they have given, the remaining 3 will be the answers. Clear? So the first order pair is what? 1, 3, 1, 5. Next 2, 3, 2, 5. Next you are going to have 3, 3, 3, 5. So here 3 order pairs 1, 3, 2, 5 and 3, 3 are already given. So the remaining are 1, 5. See 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 5. Therefore option A will be the correct answer. Clear? So it was a very simple problem. If you know the definition of Cartesian product, if you know the formula of Cartesian product, then it can be very, very simple. Clear? Okay students, so now let us move to the next question, that is, consider the following relations and you have to say which of the following is correct. Consider the following relations from which are correct. Clear? Okay. So you have to take the correct ones. Clear? That means they have given the 3 statements. In that 3 statement, which of these are correct, that you have to answer. Clear? Okay. So first one, let us see. A minus B. What is the meaning of A minus B? The elements in A but not in B. That is what? A minus B. This is the Venn diagram of A minus B. Clear? Elements in A but not in B. Clear? Already we have discussed in the previous problem also. So it will be not that much complicated. What about this? Elements in A but not in A intersection B. Okay. Again, I will draw this. Elements in A but not in A intersection B. See, both the diagrams are same. That means both are equal. So that is, the first one is true statement. First one is true statement. That means first option is correct. So here also there is first, here also there is first option. So option C and option B are deleted. Clear? So in these two, one of the answer will be correct, because see, option 1 is correct. Okay, no problem. Let us check the second one also. Now only we shall don't delete these two things. Let us check the second statement. So then we can directly answer the question. Let us not delete the options. Here this will be wrong method. Clear? Okay. Now A equal to A intersection B union A minus B. So let us draw it. So this is A, this is B. What they are telling? A intersection B union A minus B. What is A minus B? See here. This is A minus B. So now what this set tells? This is nothing but complete A. Clear? So that means it is equal to A. Clear? So that's why the second statement is also correct. That means first statement and the second statement are correct. So now your answer will be the option D. So here don't follow the method of deleting the options, because unless and until we check two statements, we can't delete the options. Clear? So you check the second statement. So second statement is also true. So that's why this will be the correct answer. That is statement 1 and statement 2 are the correct answers. Now there is no need to check the statement 3. Clear? If you want to check, you can check. So it will be wrong, because from these 4 options 1 and 2 are the correct. We already tested them. So that's why option D will be the correct answer. If you go on solving the third one, it will be a time waste, and there is no such option also. No problem. For your knowledge, you can check the third one. Clear? Okay, I will go to the next question. Okay students, so now let us see one of the problem from IIT 2011. So this is given in your materials from past archives. So this was the question from IIT 2011. Clear? So here what they are asking, let P equal to theta such that sin theta minus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta, and Q equal to set of theta such that sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay. So between the two sets, then what is the relation between the two sets they are asking? Clear? Here between the two sets means relation between the two sets they are asking. Clear? P is given, Q is given, and the relation between P and Q is asked. Okay. So now let us solve the first set, that is sin theta minus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta. So if you simplify here, if I take minus cos theta on that side, it will be plus cos theta. That is nothing but sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta plus cos theta. That means I can take root 2 plus 1 as common, and I can write cos theta. Clear? Minus cos theta on that side, it will be plus cos theta. So root 2 cos theta plus cos theta, from those two things I will take cos theta common. The remaining term will be root 2 plus 1. No problem. Second one, this is nothing but P. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 sin theta. From this, if I take sin theta on that side, it will be minus sin theta. So cos theta will be equal to root 2 minus 1 sin theta. If I take plus sin theta on this side, it will be minus sin theta. Therefore root 2 minus 1 I will take outside, the remaining with sin theta. That means sin theta is common. So remaining term is root 2 minus 1. Clear? If I simplify P further, I will divide by cos theta on both sides. It will be equal to tan theta equal to root 2 plus 1. Clear? Here if I divide by cos theta, it will be equal to 1 by tan theta, that is equal to root 2 minus 1. I am dividing by cos theta on both sides. Cos theta will be cancelled. Here cos theta means sin by cos theta will be tan theta. Therefore 1 by tan theta will be equal to root 2 minus 1. From this you can get the answer if you know the information, that is 1 by tan theta is equal to root 2 minus 1, and tan theta will be equal to again root 2 plus 1. Clear? If you know the information, no problem, you can write directly. If you don't know the information, see here, if I make cross multiplication, it will become 1 by root 2 minus 1 equal to tan theta. After taking cross multiplication, now you rationalize the denominator. If you rationalize the denominator by root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1 divided by a square minus b square formula you will apply, and you will get this answer, that is root 2 plus 1 equal to tan theta. Okay. So therefore this is Q. P is root 2 plus 1. Q is root 2 plus 1. Therefore P equal to Q will be the answer. Okay. No problem. Let us go to the next question. Okay students. Now let us move to the next question, that is, let x equal to be one of the set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of different ordered pairs, y, z that can be formed, the number of different ordered pairs y, z that can be formed such that y is subset of x, z is subset of x, and y intersection z is empty. Clear? Here you have to understand the question very carefully, and you have to apply the knowledge of some other things. It is not completely based on the sets. Clear? It also has some different applications of permutation and combination. Okay, that you must understand clearly. Here x is the given set, no problem. The number of ordered pairs, see, from this x you have to choose the elements to create the ordered pairs, no problem. But if they ask only this much, it was very simple, because if you make a cross multiplication of if you make a cross product of x cross x, the total number of ordered pairs you can get. But what they are telling, they are giving the condition. What is that condition? That can be formed such that y must be the subset of x. See, the element of y must be the subset of x. The element of z must be the subset of x. Are you getting my point? Also, the intersection of y and z must be empty. Okay. So from this you can understand one thing, that is y, z are the two subsets of x. So the element from x can be in y, the element from x can be in z. Are you getting my point? Because the condition is the element and y, the y and z should be the subset of x. So element from x can be in y, one choice. Element of the x can be in z, that is the second choice. And there is another choice also, that this element cannot be in both the sets also. That means it may not be in y, and it also may not be in z. It may not be in y, also z. That means element from x may not be in y and may not be in z. That means you have three choice. That is, first one, it can be in y, the element of x. Second one, it can be in z. Clear? It cannot be in both the sets, because if contains in both the sets, intersection will be not empty. So intersection must be empty, means it has only three choice. It may be in y, it may be in z, or it may not be in both the things. Are you getting my point? But it can be in both. That's not possible. It can be in both. That is not possible. Clear? So for that reason, the elements of x has got how many choice? Three choice. Elements of x has got how many choice? Three choice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That because here you have 5 elements. I take 5 boxes. Each box 1. See, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Clear? So, this 1 has got how many choices? See here, 3. 2 has got 3, 3 has got 3, 4 has got 3, 5 has got 3. So, all elements have got these 3 choices. As you all know from permutation and combination, if you calculate this, it will be 3 to the power of 5. Very simple. So, answer will be 3 to the power of 5, that is option B. Clear? Very simple question, but you have to understand the question and you have to simplify. Once again I explain. See, in X you have 5 elements. From that 5 elements you have to create the order pair. To create this order pair you have got some conditions. Y should be subset of X, Z should be subset of X, and Y and Z set must be empty. So I will take the set of Y, I will take the set of Z. Now I will choose the elements of X in Y and I will choose element of X in Z. But I can't choose the same elements. Why? Because if I choose the same elements, intersection will be not empty. So I can't choose the same elements. So that's why the element which is in Y, it will be not in Z. The element which is in Z, it will be not in Y. These are the 2 conditions. Next one. The elements may not be in both the sets. That is also there. There is a choice. Clear? For example, 2 may not be in Y, may not be in Z. No problem. Clear? For constructing subset, consideration of 2 is not compulsory. I cannot choose 2 here also and in Z also. Clear? So that's why it has got 3 choice. Each element can be in Y. This can also be in Z, but it cannot be in both. Are you getting my point? It can be in Y. Either it can be in Z or it cannot be in both. These are the 3 choices. Clear? So like this, all 5 elements has got 3 choices. So that is nothing but a simple permutation problem. So 3 to the power of 5, or mathematical counting you can tell. Mathematical counting. So 3 to the power of 5. Therefore answer will be option B. Clear? Okay students, let us see this problem where they are asking the number of subsets. This type of problem we have already discussed in the previous class of CET, where I have discussed this number of subsets containing more than n elements in the subset. Clear? That means there will be a set. For that we are going to calculate the number of subsets. In that number of subsets, we are going to consider only those terms which are containing more than n elements. This type of problem I have already discussed in the previous session. So you go through that. If you have understood that, then here what I am solving, it will be very simple. Clear? So here what they are telling, A and B be the 2 sets containing 2 elements and 4 elements respectively. Then the number of subsets in the A cross B having 3 or more elements. In the place of n, they are asking 3. That's all. Clear? And they are asking the number of subsets of A cross B. So number of A cross B is given by what? 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. Now power set of A cross B is given by what? 2 to the power of 8. So in this they are asking only the elements which are greater than 3 or more elements. That means greater than or equal to 3. Clear? That means it must contain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? Okay. So now if I calculate this, I can take 8C3 as my first choice. This is the number of subsets with 3 elements. 8C4, the number of subset with 4 elements. So on to 8C5, 8C6, 8C7 plus 8C8. So this will be the total number of the subsets which are containing 3 or more than 3 elements. So these are the total number of the subsets. 2 to the power of 8 is the total number of the subsets. So to solve this, it will be very complicated. So what I will do, the same term also can be written as this is equal to, see, this is equal to nothing but 2 to the power of 8 minus 8c0 plus 8c1 plus 8c2. So this calculation will be very, very simple. So 2 to the power of 8 minus 8c0. 2 to the power of 8 minus 8c0 means you can calculate 8 factorial, 0 factorial divided by 8 minus 0 factorial is 8 factorial. Cancel this term. So it will be 1 plus 8c1. You may calculate 8c1, that is 8 factorial, again 1 factorial into 7 factorial. Cancel 7 factorial and 7 factorial. So it will remain with 8. Clear? 8c2, 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 6 factorial. Cancel 6 factorial and 6 factorial. 7 into 8 divided by 2. If you simplify this, it will be 28. Clear? So 2 to the power of 8 minus 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 28, that is 36, 37. 2 to the power of 8 minus 37 will be 219. Clear? So 2 to the power of 8 minus this term will be equal to 219. Very simple problem, but you must know the techniques of solving this type of particular things. Clear? Already this has been discussed in the previous session also, but there they have not given the example. In general method we have discussed 8cn we have discussed, sorry, number of elements more than n elements they are asked. So that type of things we have calculated. Clear? Okay, no problem. I think this problem is very simple, and this question is again asked at the last of past archives. This problem and the last problem both are same, and previous to the last already solved in the previous classes. So these are the questions from past archives, and the remaining questions of the past archives are already solved. Clear? So therefore I continue with the different problems. Past archives, all the problems from the previous question papers are over. So this has been asked 2 times in 2013 and 2015. So both the questions are there in your past archives. So we have solved this, all the questions of past archives. Now let us move to the next type of okay students, now let us see the next question. That is, in the next question they are asking, there are 300 students in a college or a school. There are 300 students in a college or school, and there are some newspapers. So these 300 students, all 300 students read 5 newspapers, and 60 students read all newspapers. Then what are the total number of the newspapers they are asking? Clear? So you can see the question that there are 300 students who read 5 newspapers. In the same school there are 60 students who read all the newspapers. Then what are the total number of the newspapers they are asking? It's a very simple problem. That is, 300 students read only 5 newspapers. It is equal to 60 students read all newspapers. I will take n as the newspapers because we have to find that n. If I simplify this, it will be very simple. N equal to 25. Clear? So you have 25 number of newspapers exactly. Okay. Okay students, the next problem is very, very simple. That is, n of u, that is the number of elements in the universal set is 700. The number of elements in A is 200. The number of elements in B is 300. The number of elements, the common in A and B are 100. Then n of A complement intersection B complement they are asking. So it's a very simple problem. N of A complement intersection B complement is n of u minus n of A union B. Already you know what is n of A union B. N of U is 700. N of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Very simple calculations. 700 minus n of A is 200, 200 plus 300, 500, 500 minus 100, this is 400. So therefore 700 minus 400 will be 300. A very simple calculation and answer will be 300. Clear? Okay students, now let us see the next question, that is, in a class of 100 students, that means there are total 100 students, 55 students have passed mathematics, that means n of m is equal to 55. 67 students have passed physics, so that is n of p equal to 67. Then the number of students who have passed in physics only, that is n of p only, you have to calculate. This is the question mark. Okay, so n of m 55, n of p 67, n of u is 100. Clear? So now if you want to simplify this, it's a simple question that first you have to calculate n of p intersection m. Clear? If you calculate n of p intersection m, you are going to get who have passed in both physics and maths. Clear? So n of p intersection m will be what? 55 plus 67 minus 100. Clear? That is n of m plus n of p minus n of u. Okay, that is nothing but n of p union m. This is nothing but equal to what? N of p union m. N of u is nothing but n of p union m. So 55 plus 67, this is 7 plus 5 12, and this will be 6 plus 6 12, 122. Clear? 122 minus 100 will be 22. So 22 students have passed both physics and maths. Now if you want to calculate n of p only, what you have to do? You have to subtract 22 from, you have to subtract the common term from 67. N of p minus n of p intersection m. Clear? From the total number of physics, you have to subtract who have passed both physics and maths. So you will remain with only physics. So 67 minus 22 will be how much? 45. So 45 will be the correct answer. Clear? So it's a very simple question. That's there are total number of 100 students. 55 students have passed mathematics. 67 students have passed 55 students have passed mathematics, 67 students have passed physics. That means total 100 students. So that is n of u is 100. If n of u is 100, that is nothing but n of p union m who have passed total physics and mathematics. So therefore n of p union m is equal to n of u. So first you calculate n of p intersection m. That means who have passed both physics and maths. Who have passed both physics and maths. For that you know the formula n of m plus n of p minus n of p union m or n of u. No problem. You will get 22 students who have passed both physics and maths. From that 67 who have passed physics, you subtract who have passed both physics and maths. So you will remain with who have passed only physics. Clear? So they are 45 students. Clear? Okay students, if A and B are the two sets, then A intersection A union B whole complement what? They are asking. Okay, this is also very simple problem. You apply the property of A union B whole complement, it will be what? This term as it is A complement intersection B complement. Clear? Very simple problem. If you apply A union B whole complement, De Morgan's law, so that's why from the De Morgan's law you can understand that A union B whole complement is A complement intersection B complement. Here you apply associative law because this is intersection. In the intersection, associative law is true. So apply associative law, A intersection A complement intersection B complement from the associative law. So as you all know, there are no common elements between complement set and the original set. Therefore, this will be empty. Intersection B complement. So empty, it will not have any elements. So that's why it can't produce the common elements. So therefore, it will be equal to empty set. So answer is option C. It was a very simple and straightforward problem. So answer is C, that is empty set. Clear? Okay students, let us move to the next question. That is, if A equal to set of 2, 4, 5, B equal to set of 7, 8, 9, then n of A cross B is equal to. Very simple question. So n of A cross B is equal to n of A multiplied with n of B. This formula you must know. Therefore, here you have 3 elements. Here you have 3 elements. Therefore, total 9. That is 3 into 3. N of A cross B will be 9. So very simple question. No problem. You can understand it very easily. Okay students. So now let us move to the next question. That is, in a city, 20% of population travels by car. 20% of population travels by car. 50% travels by bus. 50% travels by bus. And 10% travels both car and bus. The persons traveling by car or bus is what they are asking. Okay. So first, n of 20% of population travels by car. N of C is 20. Clear? And n of B is 50. N of C is 20, n of B is 50, and 10% both car and bus. That is, they are traveling both by car and bus. That means C intersection B is 10. C intersection B is 10. So both means that is common. So C intersection B, what they are asking? The persons traveling by car or bus. That means the persons who are traveling by car or bus. Car or bus means this is n of C union B. Clear? So very simple problem. N of C union B is what? N of C plus n of B minus n of C intersection B. Anyways, n of C union B will be also 100%. That is no problem. Clear? So n of C union B equal to n of C plus n of B minus n of C intersection B. What is n of C? 20 plus 50 minus 10. So 70 minus 10 is 60. So 60% travel by car or bus. Clear? So answer is 60%. Clear? See the next question. That is, 20 teachers of a school either teach maths or physics. That means n of m union p equal to 20. 12 of them teach maths. That is n of m equal to 12. While 4 teach both subjects. That means while 4 teach both the subjects means n of m intersection p equal to 4. Then the number of teachers teach physics only. Clear? So that means n of p only will be equal to n of p minus n of p intersection m. Already we have solved this type of problem. No worries. So here n of p intersection m is 4. Now let us calculate n of p. So n of p will be equal to from the formula of n of p union m, n of m plus n of p minus n of m intersection p. So n of p will be equal to how much? N of p union m is 20 minus n of m is 12 plus 4. So this is 20 minus 12, 8. 8 plus 4, that is 12. N of p is 12. Now use n of p only, that is n of p is 12 minus 4, that is 8. So 8 will be the required answer. Okay. So very simple problem, but you have to understand it, then only you can solve. So they are asking n of p only. N of p only means n of physics only you have to calculate. What they have given? They have given there are 20 teachers who teach maths or physics, that is n of m union p. Clear? N of m union p is 20, n of m is 12, and n of m intersection p who teach both physics and maths is 4. So now let us calculate n of p only. N of p only formula is n of p minus n of p intersection m. So here this is important. For that you use n of m union p formula. N of m union p is n of m plus n of p minus n of m intersection p. From that you can get n of p, that is 12. So n of p is 12. After n of p is 12, you just calculate with this formula. So it is going to be equal to 8. So 8 is the correct answer. Okay students. Let us go to the next question, which is a very tricky one, and you have to understand it very carefully. Clear? If you don't understand the question what they have given, and you don't understand the behind things, that means they will ask a question but they want something other from that question. That means behind screen there will be something, on screen will be there is something. So it is of that kind problem. Here what we have to do, we have to understand the things behind the screen. On the screen it is very simple, but behind the screen it is very tricky to understand. Clear? So here if you understand the things that are occurring behind the screen, then definitely you are going to get an answer. Clear? Okay students, see here. There is a battle. In a battle, 70% of combats lost an eye. What is meaning of this statement? 70% of combat lost one eye. What is meaning of this? Remaining 30% are safe. Are you getting my point? See, if I take 100 as total number of our universal set. Clear? From this 100, what I am going to subtract? If I subtract who are safe. See, for example, 70% have lost one eye. That means 30% are safe. They have not lost anything. They have not lost anything. 70% is separate. Leave it. 70% have lost one eye. No problem. But 30% are safe. Clear? Next, 80% have lost an ear. Remaining 20% are safe. Clear? And 75% an arm. Remaining 25% are safe. 85% a leg. 85% a leg means 15% are safe. X% lost all 4 limbs. That means there are some people out of this 100. There are some people out of this 100 who have lost all 4 limbs. Who have lost all 4 limbs. That means from this 100, if I subtract the safest ones, what you will get? You will get the remaining term who have lost all their 4 limbs. Clear? There are 100 people. In this 100 people, there are some safe people. There are some who lost their ear, who lost their leg, who lost their hand or something. Clear? But some of the people have lost everything, 4 limbs. They have lost all 4 limbs. Clear? If you want to calculate who have lost all their 4 limbs, please understand here 70% combat lost an eye, remaining 30. In that 30, all are safe. Are you getting my point? And 80% ear, 20% are safe with ear. Are you getting my points here? 70% lost an eye. That means remaining 30% are safe with their eye. Are you getting my point? 80% lost an ear. That means 20% of the people are safe with their ears. Next, 85% lost their leg. That means 15% are safe with their legs. Are you getting my point? X% lost all. Okay, now 30% are safe with their what? One eye. 20% are safe with ear. 15% are safe with leg. That means these people have not lost all 4 limbs. Clear? If I add this all and subtract in this 100, that means safest ones means they have lost only one part. They have lost only they are safe with their one part. Clear? For example, 100 minus, if I add those 3, 50 plus. So from this you got 30% are safe with one eye, 20% are safe with one ear, here 15% are safe with leg, and 25% are safe with arm. 25% are safe with arm. Clear? These people have not lost all their 4 limbs. These people have not lost all their 4 limbs. That means out of universal set, if you subtract who have not lost all their 4 limbs, what you are going to get remain with? Please understand this. If you subtract who have lost all their 4 limbs out of universal set, what you will remain with? The complement of which set? Who have not lost their 4 limbs. For example, this is the set who have lost, who have not. Okay, this is the set who have not lost their all 4 limbs. What is complement of that? This set, this is the thing who have lost all their 4 limbs. Clear? That means from the universal set, if I remove this, you will remain with who have lost all 4 limbs. So that is, you add this and subtract here. That is 50, 65 plus 25 is 90. So if you subtract this, you will remain with 10. So that is option A will be the correct answer. Clear? So very tricky question, but you have to understand it. Clear? Let's move for the next question. That is A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, B equal to set of 3, 4, C equal to set of 4, 5, 6. So you have to find this all 4. Clear? Okay. So what is first one? A cross B intersection C. B intersection C means mathematically the elements which are common in both B and C. Are you getting my point? B intersection C andre idana ನಾವು intersection ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So B intersection C ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ B ಮತ್ತೆ C ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So first one let us simplify. That is for first one A cross B intersection C. Clear? So A already you know, that is set of 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now let us calculate B intersection 3. So A is 1 2 3, no problem. Now let us calculate B intersection C. Okay, so the common elements in B and C, common elements in B and C, check which are the common elements in B and C. Intersection ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ B ಮತ್ತೆ C ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಇದು B ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು C. B ಮತ್ತೆ C ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ B ದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆನಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಇನ್ C. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ 3 ಇನ್ C, ಸೊ 3 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್. B ದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಇನ್ C. C ದಲ್ಲೂ 4 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 4 is the only element which is common to both B and C. 4 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ? B ಮತ್ತೆ C ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A ಕ್ರಾಸ್ B ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ C ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A ಕ್ರಾಸ್ B ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ C ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? A ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3, B ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ C ದಲ್ಲಿ 4. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? A. ಸೊ A ದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ A ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? B ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ C, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. See, this is second set, this is first set. Clear? So first element from set A, that is 1, second element from that is second set, that is 4. Clear? So again 1. See, there are any other elements. 1 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನೋ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 4. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 4, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 4. 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ B ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ C ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 4. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ is over. So A cross B intersection C is order pair of 1 4, 2 4, 3 4. Set of order pair 1 4, 2 4 and 3 4. Clear? Okay. Now let us go for second one. What is second one? A cross B intersection with A cross C. Clear? So ನೀವು A cross B ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, A cross C ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುವಂತ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ us calculate A cross B. What is A? See here, 1 2 3. What is B? 3 4. Are you getting my point? A is 1 2 3, B is 2 3 4. Clear? So first I will write A cross B, collection of order pairs. Which type of order pairs? First element from first set. So A ದಲ್ಲಿ first element ಯಾವುದು? 1. Clear? So second element from second set. Second set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು? B. ಅಂದ್ರೆ first element is 3. So 1 3. So 1 3 is your first order pair. Let us see again. Next 1 4, because there are 2 elements. Clear? So first element is 1 3, second element is 1 4. Clear? Okay, see, are there any more elements like that? 1 comma, is there any more element other than 3 4? No. Clear? So then it is over. The story of 1 is over. 1 ಕತೆ ಮುಗೀತು. Next go for 2. 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 3. 2 3. Clear? Next 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4. So now see, is there any more elements with 2? No, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ 2 3, 2 4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Go for 3. 3 1, sorry, 3 3. 3 4. Clear? So this is your A cross B. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು A cross B. Now let us calculate one more thing, that is A cross C equal to set of A cross C ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಸಿ A ಇದು C, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? A ಕ್ರಾಸ್ C ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 1. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1, 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಜೊತೆ 5. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಜೊತೆಗೆ? 6. ಸಿ ದೇರ್ 4, 5, 6. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಕತೆ ಮುಗೀತು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್. ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 2. 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6. 2, 6. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೌ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 3. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3, 4. 3, 5. 3, 6. So this is your A cross C. Clear? This is your A cross B. So ಇವಾಗ A cross B intersection A cross C solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So intersection ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ A cross B and A cross C. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಚೆಕ್. ಸಿ 1, 3 ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನೋ. 1, 4. Is there 1, 4 here? No. So see here 1, 4, 1, 4. So 1, 4, 1, 4 is present. So it is common. So that is 1, 4. Clear? Next 2, 3. Check here 2, 3. Is there 2, 3? No. So leave it. 2, 4. Here also 2, 4 is present. So 2, 4. Clear? Now go for 3, 3. Is there 3, 3? No. So don't write it. Go for 3, 4. So 3, 4 is present here. So that means this is 3, 4. So see here A cross B intersection A cross C is 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. These are the 3 elements which are common for A cross B and A cross C. That is what we are calculating. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು A cross B ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A cross C ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. A cross B ಮತ್ತೆ A cross C ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅದೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ A cross B ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A cross C ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ A cross B, this is A, this is B. So you are going to get 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. Clear? Next A cross C 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next ಅವು ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. ಅದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. ಅದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಆರಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. Okay, now let us go for the third one. What is third one? A cross B union C. So this means union. This is nothing but union. Logic term is union. This is nothing but intersection. Union means, see here, B union C. B union C means you have to write each and every element of B and C in this set. You have to write each and every element of B and C in this set without repetition. Without repetition. That is what? Nothing but your B union C. Clear? B union C means you have to write each and every element of B and C without repetition. Clear? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸಿ. ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ 3,4 ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 4, 5, 6, ಬಟ್ 4 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ 4 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 3,4. 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 5,6. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಬಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸಿ. ಬಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3,4 ಬರೀತೀರಾ, 4 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. 5,6 ಬರೀರಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 4 ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ 1 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4. ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5. ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಕತೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಲ್ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ವಿತ್ 1. Clear? With 1 we have written all 4 elements. There the story of 1 is over. Clear? That's how you have to create the order pairs. 1,3, 1,4, 1,5, 1,6. Next, let us go for 2. 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? 2,3, 2,4, 2,5, 2,6. ಸೊ 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ 3, 4, 5, 6 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, ಸಾರಿ 2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ 3, 4, 5, 6 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 2 ಕತೆನೂ ಮುಗೀತು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 3. 3 ಜೊತೆಗೆ 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So here the story of all 3 elements is over. Clear? So 1,3, 1,4, 1,5, 1,6, 2,3, 2,4, 2,5, 2,6, 3,3, 3,4, 3,5, 3,6. Clear? So this is what your A cross B union C. Clear? Check here, you are going to get 12 elements because here you have 4, here you have 3. We know that 3 into 4 is 12. Remember the remark which I have explained. So here there will be 12 elements. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? So this is your A cross B union C. Clear, students? Okay. Now let us go for the last one, that is A cross B union A cross C. Okay. Okay, students. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಿ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಿ. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಕೂಡ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇವೆರಡೂ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ 2 sets. Clear? Okay. First let us calculate A cross B. So what is A cross B here? Say A B. So first element ಏನು? 1,3. Second element ಏನು? 1,4. So that is 1,3, 1,4. Next element ಯಾವುದು? 2,3, 2,4, 2,3, 2,4. Next 3,3, 3,4. Clear? So here ends your A cross B. Now calculate A cross C. Clear? What is A cross C? This is A, this is C. First element ಏನು? 1,4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 1 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1,4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1,5, 1,6. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next 10, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So this is how you have to write A cross B and A cross C. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? A cross B union A cross C ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Clear? So I will write here only. A cross B union A cross C is equal to set of ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ? ಬಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 1, 3 I will write. First I will write in the elements of A cross B. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. ಇದು A cross B ದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ A cross C. 1, 4. A cross C ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 1, 4. 1, 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ 1, 5. ಟೇಕ್ 1, 6. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 2, 4 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. 2, 4 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ 2, 4. ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 2, 5. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2, 6. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸಿ 3, 4 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. 3, 4. ಸೊ 3, 4 ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 3, 5, 3, 6. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ A cross B union A cross C. The answer for fourth one. Clear? So now I will give you homework, that is A cross B union C cross B. Union C cross B. Here homework, A cross B intersection C cross A. Clear? Try to solve these two homework problems. Okay? And this particular example is very, very important. I am again repeating the explanation of these 4 problems which I have solved just now are very, very important. I think you can understand the meaning of my sentence. Clear? Okay.